Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by redeeming the Apple gift card to your Apple ID so you can pay for in-app purchases. Sign into the App Store, tap your photo, choose Redeem Gift Card or Code, and enter the code. Once done, confirm your Apple ID region matches the App Store region for the app, and check wallet or account balance to see the credited dollar amount. Make sure there's enough balance to cover the in-app purchase plus tax where applicable. Now, open the app and go to its in-app store or subscription area, choose the exact item or tier you want. Tap Purchase or Subscribe and read the confirmation screen to understand recurring billing or consumable use. When the system prompts for payment, select your Apple ID balance if it appears. If prompted for a secondary payment method, choose Use Apple ID Balance first. The system applies balance before other cards. Approve with Face ID, Touch ID, or password and wait for confirmation. Complete the flow by verifying the app grants the purchased content. Open the purchased item or subscription settings and confirm access. Check your email for a purchase receipt and your Apple ID balance decremented by the amount. If something goes wrong, first recheck your Apple ID balance, region mismatches, and that Apple ID balance is prioritized over other cards in payment settings. Once done, restart the app and reinstall if necessary. If you're charged but don't receive content, contact Apple support with the receipt for a refund or content restoration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.